and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey, it's Mike Thomas here, and on behalf of myself and Brett Rutecki, I just want to thank you for checking out Video Cardz. Now, I'm really excited about this software, and the reason is that it creates videos using the proven tactic of VSL text sales videos. So what it does is all you have to do is put in either a link or a line of text, and it will create a full video for you specifically designed to convert and drive traffic anywhere that you want to drive that traffic to. It also adds in an avatar, so it makes it a little bit spicier, a little bit more engaging, so it keeps people watching the video, and then it's designed to get them to click a link and to drive traffic, again, wherever you want to drive that traffic to. Now, the problem with a lot of video creation software out there, especially with the whole AI craze, is that people, they're sold on the fact that, oh, this is really easy. All you have to do is use AI to create a video. But then what happens is they have to go in there, they have to have all these different customization options where they can add in pictures and do this and change this and do that, where it takes away the whole automation aspect of it, and it makes it so that they're pretty much going back to having to create a video again. So the idea behind this is that you can quickly create videos, quickly create affiliate videos, quickly create videos, again, designed to drive traffic, designed to make sales. This is for people who value their time. This is for people who want to get things done quickly and get results fast. Now, of course, the launch, we're going to have a full funnel for this, but the idea will be to sell the bundle discount. So we're going to have a really amazing bundle deal where they're going to get everything that's in the sales funnel, and instead of having to pay a reoccurring fee for the unlimited version, you can check out the funnel below. If they get the bundle discount, it's going to be a one-time. So they're going to get a discount on the sales funnel, and they're going to be able to get rid of that reoccurring. So we all know how people don't want to pay a recurring fee for something that they can get for one time. Now, we're going to be doing a pre-launch webinar. As always, we'll have special bonuses for everyone, so just reach out to me. We'll have swipes, all that stuff as we get closer to the launch. Thank you for checking this out. I'm around if you need anything. Just feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard and, of course, winning some of that prize money. Thank you.
Hey guys, Brett here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use my Video Cardz software. So to get started, you want to go ahead and click the videos button on the upper right-hand navigation, and then you'll see a screen that looks very similar to this. Of course, if you don't have any videos created yet, you're not going to see any videos in your list. To get started creating a video, simply click on the new video button. Now you have 2 options when creating a video. You can create a blank video, which means you want to enter in the content of the video yourself, or you can create an AI video, which means that the AI will automatically write the video script for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you both options. And to start with, I'm going to create a new blank video. It's going to ask me for a couple of different things. The first thing is going to be the video name. Now, this is for my reference only. It's just so that I can remember what it's for. For this example, I'm going to create a video that teaches how to build an email list. So I'll go ahead and enter that into the video name. Next, it's going to ask me for the language of the video, and there are multiple languages. Currently, Video Cardz supports English, Spanish, German, French, Italian, and Chinese. I'm going to keep it at English because that's the only language I speak. It's then going to ask me which avatar I'd like to use. I'm going to go ahead and choose an avatar. There are 9 avatars that you can select from. It's going to ask me for the background color of my video and the text color of my video. I'll leave them both as a default just because this is just an example. I'll go ahead and click on continue, and it will then create my video. And you can actually see it in the list here. It says draft. And the reason it says draft is because I haven't rendered the video yet. Now I selected to manually create my video, so what I have to do is go ahead and click on edit, and I can then go ahead and edit all the content of my video. On the right hand side, I can change the pose of the avatar. I can add new scenes. Underneath here, I can change the text. And of course, I can edit the video settings at any time I want. Once I've added all the scenes that I want, added all the text, and have it set the way I like, I can go ahead and click on the render video button, and it will then render my video. Now, that's how you manually create a video using the blank video option. But of course, there's a much easier way to do it. We can use AI to do all this work for us. So let's go ahead and try that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new video. I'm going to click on new AI video. And most of the options are the same, except for you'll see there is one additional option. It's asking me for the subject of the video underneath the video name. Now the subject is going to tell the AI what it should create the video script about. So once again, I'll go ahead and enter in my video name, which of course is how to build an email list. And the subject of my video is the same thing, how to build an email list. Now I'll go ahead and pick my avatar. Let's go ahead and use Nick this time. I'll go ahead and pick my background colors. Let's change this a little bit, make it a nice blue. Let's make my text black. And I'll go ahead and click on continue. Okay, now just as before, my video is showing in the My Video section, but it's set as draft, and that's because I haven't rendered it yet. So what I can do is go ahead and edit it. But you might notice a major difference now. Instead of having to add scenes and add text myself, the AI has created all my scenes and all of the text of my video for me. It has created a complete video. Now I can go ahead and edit this if I like. I can add more scenes, or I can leave it just as it is. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and click on render video. It'll ask me if I'm sure I want to render. I am sure, so I'll click OK. And this will take about 60 seconds, and then it'll be done. So I'll pause this video. We'll come back in 60 seconds. Okay, so now it's all done being rendered. I'll go ahead and click on continue. And you notice instead of it saying draft up here, it now says view. And if I go back to the video set list, you can see it now says view instead of saying draft. I can go ahead and click on view.
Building an email.
And there is my complete video, created and rendered with AI automatically. All I did was tell it what I wanted to create the video on. Of course, I can go ahead and click on the 3 dots and download my video and use it however I like. So that's a quick overview on how to use the Video Cardz software. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you and enjoy.